I got to enjoy this. Thankfully, Jeff isn't here. Good morning, Mandela United. Today is Monday, December 2nd. My name is Lovjeevan, and this is United News. Nelson Mandela High School is hosting a Citizenship Ceremony on December 12th, and we are looking for someone to play the bagpipe for the day. If you know someone that plays the bagpipe, please see Mr. Armstrong in the main office. There will be a workshop held at Nelson Mandela High School for newcomers. This will be held on December 5th, 2019 from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Today, the Mandela Bistro will be serving turkey and cheddar Monte crisp sandwiches with a deep fried pickle garnish. Auditions for the Mandela Coffeehouse are coming up on Monday, December 9th and Tuesday, December 10th after school. We are looking for students interested in performing all their talents. All musicians, comedians, dancers, singers, spoken word poets, DJs, actors are strongly encouraged to audition for the show. Students who are interested in being MCs for this show must also audition on the audition dates. The Mandela Coffeehouse will take place on Wednesday, December 18th after school in the music room. You got any questions? Speak to Miss S in the music room. There's an announcement for all students who are currently signed up for a dual credit psychology or are interested in the opportunity next semester. Please come to Mr. Ronigan's room 2248 on Tuesday, December 3rd for a mandatory meeting going over expectations and dates. And now for some tech news. Cyber Monday deals are afoot. Crocs are giving 40% off on their iconic footwear. You should go cop some. Kylie Jenner Cosmetics are offering 40% off on all lip kits. I should go pick some of those up, you know? Yeah, it'll make things spicy. Thank you, and have a great day.